How to use Grab when traveling to a different country. Planning a trip? Here's how to keep using Grab smoothly even when you are abroad. First, Grab works in several countries like Singapore, Malaysia, Vietnam, and more, so no need for a new account. Make sure your phone has mobile data or Wi Fi access. The Grab app will automatically adjust your region based on your GPS location. First, open the app and you will see services available in that country like GrabCar, GrabFood, or even GrabMart. Prices, language, and payment options may vary slightly, but your app will work just like at home. Link a global credit or debit card or top up GrabPay before you leave in case your wallet feature is limited abroad. Where are you traveling next with Grab? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.